Happy Friday, guys. You made it. Well done and welcome to your Friday motivation. TGIF and all of the stuff that comes with it. Today's message is all about celebration. You've likely been working hard, or I hope so anyway, hammering away at your goals that you set yourself whenever you set them. Most of you will have likely set them at the start of the year. Some of you will have set them in the last couple of weeks. I don't know. Wherever you're at, you will have likely been working quite hard to really get yourself a good set off. And I think it's important to really acknowledge the smaller milestones. As much as we might not be where we are setting out to go, I think that the little milestones along the way are always important to celebrate. So if you have completed a week-long streak of doing something that you're supposed to be doing, or whether it's reading or working out or, I don't know, learning a new language, congratulate yourself. Celebrate and just allow yourself to enjoy that and mark that achievement, because if you positively reinforce doing the right things and, you know, adopting the right behaviours, then you're only going to be more willing and more motivated to continue those on. So celebrate the small milestones, celebrate the small accomplishments, celebrate every little thing. Sometimes just celebrate getting through the day, okay? Because life is so unpredictable and it is so sometimes fleeting and short that you never really know when you're going to have the opportunity to just give yourself a pat on the back. You know, you've been striving, you've been grinding, you deserve it. So celebrate. Don't throw yourself like way off. I'm not saying that, you know, if you're dieting, celebrate with a whole cake to yourself. I mean, if that's what you want to do, your prerogative, but celebrate within reason. Celebrate, but let that motivate you to want to continue on and to want to do more and to not counteract everything that you've been doing. So congrats to you, well done you, and let's just go into the weekend with positive vibes and feeling like we can do it all again next week. Thank you so much for watching this week. Thank you so much for the amazing feedback, honestly, that you guys, it touches my heart to see your comments in the comment section and to see how much you're enjoying these videos. Honestly, I started watching YouTube videos because I was looking for something. I was looking for motivation. I was looking for somebody to wake me up. I was just in a real weird place in my life. I felt stagnant. I felt like I wasn't moving forward. I felt like there was nothing that had a fire in me. And some of the few motivational videos I watched on YouTube, to be honest, not all of them were necessarily like, you know, inspirational or anything. Some of them were just hauls and makeup videos. And when I started this series, I just said, this is the kind of thing that I like to watch on YouTube. And every time I film videos that I enjoy watching, I always get a really great response. And your comments have been incredible. To see that you guys wake up to watch these videos and you leave me a positive message motivates me for the day. As much as I'm sitting here trying to motivate you all, I also need the motivation myself. I watch these videos back so I can spur myself on. And it has honestly been so wonderful to see how you have responded to this and how much it's helping you. I'm not going to stop doing them for as long as I can do them. I'm going to keep bringing them to you, and I think that what we're doing here is incredible. I think, and it's absolutely we. You guys motivate me, I motivate you. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. We're just like feeding the cycle. It's a circle of life, if you like. So I'm not going to keep rambling on because I want this to be a really short video. I want them to all be really short, but I want us to really get something out of this. I want us to look back on this series at the end of the year and say, wow, we absolutely smashed it. Like, we did it. So happy Friday, guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You don't know how much your support means to me. I hope that you all keep subscribing. I hope that you all keep sharing these videos and let other people discover what it is that we're trying to do here. And yeah, come and follow me on Instagram. I am at SWSblog. On all of my channels, you'll see them linked down below. And I will see you in my Sunday video. So I'm taking a little break for Saturday, but I'll be back on Sunday. Make sure you catch up on the rest of this week's videos if you haven't already seen them. Otherwise, have a great weekend. Bye!